So we are learning consonant blends with the UptoSix Phonics app. We have explored some of the consonant blends and now we'll practice spelling.
UptoSix Phonics Plus. Segmenting.
Segmenting. And to spell, we separate a word.
Glitter.
Glitter. What is the first sound in glitter? G. We can hear, right? G. I. Glit. Is a diagram.
Glitter. Can you spell track?
Track. What is the first sound? Tr. Ack.
Track. Can you spell sprain?
Sprain. Spur. We can hear spur.
Spur.
A. Sprain.
Sprain. Can you spell spin?
Spin. Sp. We can hear spin.
Tap here for help.
Oh, I made mistake. That's why she is here to help us.
Spin.
Spin.
Can you spell grass?
Grass. Grr.
Grass. Can you spell sprain?
Sprain we have done. So we
Can
can
you
just
spell
change.
slug?
Slug. Sl. G. Endless practice. Endless.
Can you spell slab?
Slab. If you have not downloaded the app UptoSix Phonics Plus app, download it right now. Slab.
Slab. Can you spell split?
Split. Spill.
Spill.
Isn't it easy?
Can you spell cricket?
Isn't it fun? Cur.
Ick.
Which k? C and K. Okay? Cricket. If children write the other k, we can say it's right for now when children are just learning.
Cricket.
Okay?
Can you spell trumpet?
Trumpet. What is the sound? This is wrong. Let us correct it. That's why it's red in color because it is wrong. Trumpet. Trumpet.
Trumpet. Can you spell tram?
Tram. Tram. Tram.
Can you spell spring?
So I can go on and on and on. It will never end. The UptoSix Phonics Plus app has a huge database of words, thousands of words and sentences and reading, games, so many things. So we cover single sounds, digraphs, consonant blends, magic E, tricky words, alternative spellings and reading stories. So many things. In our upcoming lives, I'll show you the other concepts that we have in UptoSix Phonics Plus app. If you have not downloaded the UptoSix Phonics Plus app, download it right now and try it for free. And two,
UptoSix Phonics Plus.
This is one of the diagram. Okay, so and if you want to unlock all the features, you need to just pay one time. That is the best thing. And every day sit with your child
The correct picture.
for 10-15 minutes with the app and you will see the difference, how confidently they will read and they will spell. Thousands of parents are using the app worldwide and they love it. If you have not downloaded, you are missing something. Shrink.
Read the word and tap the correct
Because
picture.
you know the reading and spelling skills are the fundamental, right? If children struggle with reading and spelling, they will struggle with everything. So reading and spelling skills should be very strong. The foundation should be very strong, and phonics is the best method to teach children to read and spell. So download the UptoSix Phonics app and
Read
try
the
it.
word and tap the correct picture. Bench.
Yes?
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Thanks for joining. We will stop it here. And thanks a lot for joining. If you are not following our channel and our Instagram, kindly follow, and you can explore our YouTube channel with the same name, Phonics Reading, and we are there on Facebook too with almost 500k followers. So follow me there if you want to learn about phonics. Bye. Take care.